Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I want to show you this really clean 2010 Triumph Thunderbird. This bike is just in excellent condition, beautiful. Black and chrome, that's just a classic look. It's trimmed out real nice. The paint on it is perfect. Got really good tires on it. Dual front disc brakes and aluminum spoke mag wheels. Nice chrome trim up here on the forks. It's got a detachable front windshield there. It's got the engine guard with the 360 adjustable highway pegs. Makes it really easy to adjust those out to fit you just perfectly. It's a liquid cooled, almost 1600 cc's. Got the chrome radiator shroud on it. Really looks nice. It's a parallel twin, fuel injected bike. This bike comes with some Triumph soft leather bags. It's got a passenger backrest on it and a luggage rack. Got a really nice look to it, that rear fender. Got excellent tire here on the back as well. Right side drive. It is a belt drive bike. The forward mount controls makes it sit really nice, very comfortable. Nice 2-up seat. It's got a big tank on it, almost 6 gallons. I think it's something like 5.8 gallons. Nice hand grips, looks like upgraded hand grips. Just a beautiful, beautiful machine. We'll fire it off and give it a listen. I think I'm going to have to pull in the clutch. So let me switch hands around here. No engine noise at all, just nice solid bike. It's got 4,125 miles on it. Runs smooth as silk. That's looks like a little power outlet there. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful Triumph, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151 and they can tell you all about it. Or go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. We have several different domestic and import bikes. This one's been through our shop and safety checked, inspected, and it's ready for the road. Got some good extended warranty options on this motorcycle as well. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this Triumph to you. If you want to make a road trip out of it, we're about 15 minutes from DFW International Airport. Just fly in, we'll pick you up, do the deal, and ride it home. Well, this is Gino, American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.